Good morning, everyone. This morning we are going to elaborate an environmental issue. This issue has been bugging us, bothering us, killing us. And that is only the part of the entire pollution issue, air pollution or water pollution or soil pollution, whatever you call it, just a part of it. And that is known as acid rain. It struck to me when I watched the rain was drizzling down on my house. At that time, I really thought about acid rain or acid deposition by Robert Smith. Asaf's sister is environment engineer, so we have dedicated to Asaf's sister. Acid rain means when the rain actually penetrates into the cloud or the rain actually precipitates from the cloud. Those clouds are not cumulus. Cumulus cloud are rainwater cloud. But these clouds are acidic cloud. They look like cloud, they feel like cloud, they smell like cloud, but they are actually acidic clouds. They are not form of steam. Steam emerging from all the water deposits and all the water reservoirs, ocean and all that on the planet. Sun shines so that water evaporates, and that evaporation floats up and eventually takes the shape of cloud. That is our rain, innocent, innocuous, potable rain. But these clouds are not the clouds of water, but they are clouds of acidic substance. They are made of acid, and this acid is coming from factories, volcanic eruption, nuclear plant, industry, our kitchen, traffic. These kinds of sources actually emit the emission of different kinds of acids, like sulfuric acids, nitrogen ions, etc. And these acids are lighter than the air, so they actually float above the earth and then form the cloud. And when these cloud of acid precipitate, either they precipitate in a dry rain, so we can get only hail or snow, something like that, or they precipitate in the form of water, then we can get acidic water. Acidic water can create a havoc of damage on this planet. Every single thing that gets acidic water gets badly, direly, desperately damaged, like standing crop, horticulture, street water reservoirs, our structures, animals, fish, birds. Every single thing can be damaged, harmed. Every single thing can be devastated, or detrimental damage can be precipitated on those things on this planet. Almost every single thing is vulnerable on this planet from acid rain, and acid rain does not spare anything on this planet at all. Wherever the acid rain rains, whether it's a structure, forest, agriculture, every single thing is destroyed. So I have actually prepared 4 points. Point number 1 is acidic clouds formation. When sulfur acid, nitrogen ion, all kinds of CFCs, when they actually form the cloud, that cloud actually hovers over the planet and eventually precipitates, eventually rains on the planet. Now, when this cloud rains, it does not actually precipitate innocuous water. But this water is acidic water. It brings sulfur, it brings nitrogen, hydrogen, all kinds of acidic substance. And wherever this water actually touches, those things are totally devastated by the detriments of acid rain or acid deposit. Point number 2 is enormous air pollution. Air pollution is not just an air pollution, but it has plenty of byproducts. It can actually devastate entire planet, human, animal, marine life, agriculture, structures, every single thing can be totally devastated, so detrimental that acid rain is, coming from the or begotten from the air pollution. If you take care of the air pollution, you are taking care of thousands of other things, thousands of other detrimental, cataclysmic results. So, it is air pollution, mother lode of acid rain, mother lode of this global temperature, greenhouse impact, melting of all kinds of ice means everywhere, whether it is Arctica or Antarctica, wherever the ice melts, that because of the pollution. So one pollution can actually harm our civilization in number of ways. Number 3, acidic substances like sulfuric acid and hydrogen ions are the culprit. What is detrimental to our planet? What is it that we call it acid rain? What is in the acid rain? In acid rain is acidic substances like sulfuric acid, hydrogen ion, nitrogen things, all kinds of detrimental things that we really despise, including chlorofluorocarbons. All family of chlorofluorocarbons are detrimental, and those are the culprit of precipitating acid rain. When these substances, these chemicals, produced in the industry, produced in our traffic, produced in all sorts of things, wherever the fossil fuel is used, petroleum used, coal is used, wherever, over there you are going to see this kind of acidic substances will be precipitated, and once they form the acidic cloud, then acid rain would precipitate, and this rain is going to devastate flora, fauna, marine life, infrastructures, people, even people. Point number 4, devastating agri, horti, fishery structures, sweet water reservoirs. Every single thing on this planet is vulnerable. They can actually destroy and devastate every single thing on this planet. Anything that actually gets acid rain, acidic rainwater, that thing is going to become doom and gloom, whether it is flora or fauna, whether it is an ocean or pond, lake or rivers. Wherever acidic rain falls, it actually devastates every single thing. Sweet water reservoirs can also be devastated. And fishery, marine life in the ocean, fish in the river and the pond can also be devastated. Our potable water can be devastated. Our agri can be devastated. The agriculture means arable land can be devastated. For number of years, nothing would grow on the land where acidic rain rained precipitously. So those things can cause, this is a devastating thing. Acid rain looks a little yellow, and when you see that, don't be bravado. Don't actually get wet. Usually we like to get wet in water, in rain. But if it is innocuous rain, innocent rain, unacidic rain. By all means, you enjoy monsoon. Monsoon is the best weather to enjoy. You cannot enjoy summer because it's too hot. You cannot enjoy winter, it's too cold. But monsoon is only the weather that you would like to spend some time under the rain, but you have to be very mindful about the quality of rain. This rain must not be cataclysmic rain of acidic water. Thank you very much for listening. That's all the time we have. See you again next time. Until then, God bless everyone on this planet.